Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project A Blockchain-Based Autonomous Decentralized Online Social Network. Introduction. In this project, we want to change how social media platforms operate. Instead of relying on one central server, we distribute the responsibility to many computers. Centralized systems have a single point of failure. If that central server gets hacked or crashes, the whole system can fail. Most social media platforms today face certain problems. They are prone to server crashes resulting in service interruptions. They also face data breach risks due to centralized storage, compromising user data security. Therefore, we are using blockchain, which is like a super secure digital ledger, to fix these issues. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Instead of having all the data in one place, blockchain stores records as blocks of data, each with a unique code called a hash. These blocks are distributed across multiple computers or nodes, making it much harder for anyone to tamper with the data or compromise the entire system. Blockchain offers several advantages. First, it is decentralized, meaning the data isn't stored in one vulnerable location. Second, it enhances security because the data is stored in encrypted format that is very difficult to alter or hack. Third, it promotes transparency as all transactions are recorded and visible to authorized users. Fourth, it ensures data immutability, meaning once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed. Finally, it is resilient to failures because even if some nodes go down, others continue to maintain the data. Therefore, this project's core aim is to transition from centralized to decentralized social media effectively, addressing traditional data security and privacy concerns. It accomplishes this by leveraging blockchain technology to enhance security, transparency, and user control. Objective of the project. So, as I mentioned earlier, we are changing how social media works. Instead of having one big central computer, we are spreading the work across lots of computers. The aim is to enable users to create, share, and engage in discussions through tweets on the new social media platform. This ensures that individuals can confidently express their thoughts and ideas without concerns about unauthorized access or tampering with their content. When a user wishes to include an image with their tweet, a specialized system known as IPFS, that is Interplanetary File System, is employed to ensure the image security and easy retrieval. And our goal also includes designing a website that is easy to navigate. We ensure that buttons and features are intuitively placed, making the usage of our new social media platform straightforward and enjoyable. The design prioritizes user-friendliness, offering a seamless and hassle-free experience for all. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements: processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is New User Sign-up. This module allows new users to create accounts on the decentralized social media platform. Users provide necessary information to create their accounts, including usernames, passwords, and additional details required for registration. It enables the establishment of unique user profiles and access to platform features. The second module is User Login. This module enables registered users to log in to their accounts securely. Users provide their usernames and passwords to gain access to their accounts. It ensures that only authorized individuals can access their profiles and interact with the platform. It enhances security and privacy for users. The third module is Publish and Save Tweets in Blockchain. This module allows users to create and post tweets on the social media platform. Users compose tweets which can include text and images and then publish them on the platform. These tweets are securely stored in the blockchain. The last module is View Tweets. This module permits users to access and review tweets posted by themselves and others within the social media platform. Users can retrieve and read tweets, whether they are their own or from other users, creating a timeline of content for their reference and engagement. Blockchain integration. We will use blockchain technology to make sure that only authorized users can access the system. It will securely manage user identities and access rights, making sure that user profiles are reliable and secure. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access and identity fraud, thanks to blockchain's transparent and secure features. By using blockchain, users will have more control over their data and how they interact with the system. Blockchain's decentralized approach means users can have more influence over how their information is handled and shared, which boosts privacy and security. User-generated content, including posts and comments, will be securely stored in blockchain blocks. This approach will guarantee data immutability and resilience, making it nearly impossible for malicious actors to alter or delete user-generated content without proper authorization. Blockchain technology will be used to enable end-to-end encryption and secure messaging within the platform. This means that user communications will be shielded, ensuring privacy and confidentiality. And data integrity is maintained in the system through the utilization of the SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, blockchain verifies the hash code of each block. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is blockchain app file. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Blockchain app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is blockchain OSN file folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. These are Python main code files. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. This is start IPFS bat file. This bat file is used to start IPFS server, which is used to store all public post images, as blockchain itself cannot store images. So now double click on it to start IPFS server. So we can see the IPFS server has been started. Now minimize this. Now this is run server.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the Django application. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. Project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. And here we can see user login and new user sign up links. If we are new users, we have to register first. Click on new user sign up link. So fill in all these details. The username would be TrueProjects3. Give the password. Give the contact number. Select the gender. Give the email ID. Give the address. Now click on submit. So in the red color text, we can see the record has been saved to blockchain. And we can see the encrypted format of the data. We can see the previous hash and the current hash. And we can see the blockchain number in which the data has been stored. Now we'll create another account. The username would be TrueProjects4. Give the password. Give the contact number, select the gender, give the mail ID and give the address and click on submit. So the record has been saved to blockchain and we can see the previous hash, current hash and the block number in which it has been saved. Now click on user login link. We'll log in as 2projects3, give the credentials, username and password. And click on login. So we have logged in as 2projects3. Click on publish and save tweets in blockchain link. So here we can post our tweet. So I'm giving the tweet as congratulations on the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3, and here we can upload the image. So click on choose file button. So from tweet images folder I'm selecting this image and click on open. So I have given the tweet and I have selected the image. Now click on submit button. So in the red color text we can see the tweet has been saved to blockchain and the media file, the image file, is saved to IPFS in the encrypted format, and we can see the previous hash, the current hash and the block number in which the tweet has been saved. Now click on view tweets link. So here we can see all the tweets tweeted by us and all others. Now click on logout. Now we log in as 2projects4. Click on user login, give the credentials, username and password. And click on login. So we have logged in as 2projects4. So again click on publish and save tweets in blockchain link. So the post would be petrol prices are high. Now click on choose file button. So I'm selecting this image and click on open. So I have posted the tweet and I have given the image. Now click on submit. So the image and the tweet are being saved. The tweet is saved in the blockchain and the image is saved into IPFS and in the encrypted format, and we can see the previous hash, the current hash and the block number in which the tweet has been saved. Now click on view tweets link. So here we can see all the tweets tweeted by everyone, and we can see the current tweet also. Now click on logout. So the conclusion here is we have successfully developed and deployed a decentralized social media platform. Unlike traditional centralized platforms, our decentralized approach ensures that data is distributed across multiple nodes, eliminating the single point of failure associated with centralized servers. By incorporating blockchain technology, we have achieved immutable data storage. This means that once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. To efficiently manage images within social media posts, we have integrated the interplanetary file system, that is IPFS. This integration enables the secure storage and retrieval of images associated with posts. The development of an intuitive and user-friendly graphical interface simplifies user interactions. From user registration and login to publishing and viewing posts, the interface streamlines these actions, making them straightforward and enjoyable for users. And our platform is built to scale. This scalability ensures that as more users join the platform, it remains reliable and responsive.
For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.